To question number 53, it says Ria is doing a paper cutting activity where she actually cuts 4 identical squares from this sheet. We are basically asked to find the area and perimeter of the remaining sheet. So we can see there are 4 identical. I don't know why this cursor is again fumbling. So we can see there are 4 identical squares here. We are asked to find the area and perimeter of this part. So what is the total area? So the total area is 24 into 20. So it is 480 centimeter square. Now we will find the area of one square. The area of one square is 4 into 4, so 16. There are 4 such squares, so we will multiply this by 4, so 64. What is the remaining area? So we will subtract this 64 from 480. 10 minus 4 is 6, 7 minus 6 is 1, and this is 4. So 416 centimeter square. This is the remaining area. Now we are asked to find the perimeter. So what is the perimeter? The perimeter here is this part. This part is the perimeter. This one. All these outer boundaries are basically the perimeter of this remaining sheet. So what we need to do, we just need to add these. So we'll if we see this whole thing is 24. So if this part is 4 and this part is 4, so what is the remaining what is the length of this remaining part? So 24 minus 4 is 20, 20 minus 4 is 16. So if this is 16, this one will also be 16. So 16 plus 16 is 32. Similarly, if this whole thing is 20, we will subtract this 4 from it, so it is 16, again 4, so it is 12. So these two combined is 24. Now we just need to add these 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8, again 4 plus 4 is 8, 4 plus 4 is 8, and 4 plus 4 is 8. So there are 4 8s, so 8 4 the 32. We'll add all this. 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So the final answer will be 416 centimeter square and 88 centimeter. This is our answer. Moving to, I guess there's no any question in this slide anymore. Yeah. Moving to the next question. It says, let me zoom it a bit. Yeah. So find the area of the unshaded region in the given figure. So what is the unshaded region in this figure? All this is unshaded. Unshaded means like these are shaded ones. There's shading which has been done here. So we are asked to find the area of the unshaded region. How we'll do this? We will tackle this question by a different approach, where I will first find the area of this whole region. So this is a big rectangle, and the area of this rectangle is what? 2.5 into 2. So it is 5.0. Now we will subtract this unshaded part from it. So what is the length and breadth of this? So this part is 0.5 and this part is 1.5. So 0.5 into 1.5 is 0.75. 0.75 we will subtract. So it will come out as 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 9 minus 7 is 2, and 4. So the area of this shaded part is 4.25. Now we will subtract this shaded part from the whole area. So the whole area is 7.2 into 4. 7.2 into 4. It is 4 2 is 8, 7 4 is 28, 28.8. We will subtract this shaded region from it. It will be 4.25. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. 8 minus 4 is 4, and this is 2. So this is only in option number C, so it will be my correct answer. I hope I have made sense and you guys would have followed along the way. Reducing the image size. By selling a watch for 1275, Jadhav lost 15%. At what price should he sell so as to make a profit of 10%? So we know that there are 3 or 4 formulas, like cost price is equal to many people write it as 100 into SP by 100 minus loss, or 100 into SP by 100 plus profit. There are 2 ways you can write the formula, but I'm not going to write such formulas here. What I will do is, we know that let me draw a number line kind of figure. So assuming this is my number line, and somewhere here is my cost price, somewhere here is my first selling price, and somewhere here is my new selling price. So this is the cost price, this is the cost price at which he has sold and lost some amount. So we know that cost price is basically 100% of an item. If he had sold it for if he had sold at a loss of 15%, it means that he had sold it for 85%. And what we are asked, uh, we are asked to sell at a price on which we'll make a 10% profit. So basically we need to sell it at a 110%. Now let me is there a way to move this thing? Okay, let me undo this. So we know this 85%. 85% is what? 1, 2, 7, 5. And we are asked to find the 110% of this. I solved a similar kind of question in the first video as well. So what we will do is, we will write 1275 into 110 by 85. Now we just need to divide this 85. Let me just reduce this so that I have space. We just need to divide this. So 85, when we'll divide 1275 with this. So 85 one time is 85 only. So 2 and 4 and 5. We know that 5 5s are 25, and uh, 8 5s are 40. Okay, so 85 into 5 is what? Let me do this. 5 5s are 25, we have 2 in hand, 8 5s are 40 into 42. So let me increase. This thing comes out as 15. Now we just need to multiply 15 into 110. So 15 into 1 is 15, 15 into 1 is 15, so 561. So it will come out as 1650. And this will be our correct answer only. Is there any option as 1650? We have this in option number C, so it will be correct.